Ever wondered how the digital wallets you use every day actually make money? We tap, we pay, we manage our funds, often without a second thought about the intricate business models humming beneath the surface. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on one such innovative platform, Beam Wallet. It's not just about moving money, it's a whole ecosystem designed to generate value for its users and, of course, for itself. So, how exactly does Beam Wallet turn its operations into revenue? Let's dive in. At its core, Beam Wallet is a digital payments and rewards platform built on blockchain technology. Unlike traditional payment systems that often come with hefty fees and fragmented loyalty programs, Beam aims to create a more efficient and rewarding experience for both consumers and merchants. This fundamental difference is key to understanding its revenue streams. One of the primary ways Beam Wallet generates revenue is through its native cryptocurrency, the Beam token, $BEAM. This isn't just a digital currency, it's the lifeblood of the Beam ecosystem. The platform strategically issues new Beam tokens and leverages them in various ways. As the adoption of Beam Wallet grows and the demand for its services increases, the value of the Beam token is designed to appreciate. This appreciation, driven by network usage and a growing community, translates into significant profit opportunities. Think of it like a piece of a thriving digital economy. As the economy expands, so does the value of its underlying currency. Beyond token issuance, Beam Wallet also generates income through the sale of premium services. While the basic wallet functionality might be free or low cost, the platform offers advanced features and tools that businesses and individuals might pay for. This could include enhanced analytics for merchants, specialized marketing tools, or even access to exclusive loyalty programs. By providing added value, Beam creates additional revenue streams that go beyond simple transaction fees. Strategic partnerships are another crucial component of Beam Wallet's business model. The platform collaborates with businesses and merchants across various sectors, creating a network where Beam payments are accepted and rewards are offered. These partnerships aren't just about expanding reach, they often involve revenue-sharing agreements or licensing fees. For merchants, Beam offers a way to reduce payment processing costs and implement more effective loyalty programs, making it an attractive proposition. For Beam, these partnerships mean a wider user base and a larger volume of transactions flowing through its network, each contributing to its overall profitability. Furthermore, the very design of the Beam network incentivizes participation and generates revenue through its smart contracts. These self-executing contracts, built into the blockchain, enable all stakeholders in the retail value chain to exchange data for value. This mechanism allows for direct rewards to customers and fosters a system where various network participants are motivated to process transactions and unlock the value within these contracts. Every transaction on the platform can result in participants acquiring Beam tokens, further increasing demand and improving the liquidity of the token. Finally, Beam's focus on privacy and security, leveraging technologies like Mimblewimble, attracts users who prioritize confidential transactions. This niche but growing market segment is willing to utilize platforms that offer enhanced privacy, which in turn contributes to the overall adoption and usage of Beam Wallet, directly impacting its revenue generation through increased transaction volume and token utility. So, it's a multifaceted approach, leveraging its native token, offering premium services, forging strategic partnerships, and incentivizing network participation through its unique blockchain architecture. It's a testament to how digital platforms are evolving beyond simple service provision into intricate economic ecosystems. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.